The first thing you'll do in the new database that we've set up for you is to complete the configuration of the company record. You'll log into the system using the administrator login and password that we've supplied you with, and you'll go to the Data Maintenance tab and to the Companies page. You'll see that we've set up a company called Your Company. You open that and change it to real company name. I mean, your real company name, of course. You might put in an address here, but the address is actually not printed anywhere unless you're using invoicing, which in this model you're not. You'll choose a calendar. You will have told us how many standard hours there are in a standard working day, and we will have set this up for you. You see that there are many alternatives here, and we can set up other patterns as well. Just let us know if none of these suit you. We've set up, in this case, 7.5 hours standard hours on Monday to Friday, but you see there are alternatives there. The currency we will have set up in advance. In this current database there's more than one currency, but when you get started you'll only find the one currency that we've set up for you in advance. Similarly, you'll see that there is just a single chart of accounts set up. You'll need the chart of accounts if you are going to export expense claim journals from Time at Work into an accounting system. But there's much more detail on that in some other video tutorials. You can also modify the regional settings. We will have set these up based on the location that you've given us for your company. Bear in mind also that although in this particular model we're working with a single company, Time at Work can be a multi-company system and can deal with multi-base currencies as well. So you might be an organization in more than one country, in which case we would have different base currencies, different charts of accounts, and so on. Those are the basic data. Nothing else to set up there. You will later on probably need to set this up, but when you get your new database, there will only be one employee in the system, which is the administrator. But when you've set up various others, you will eventually want to set up an employee probably as the final reviewer of expense claims that have been submitted by employees and then authorized by line managers. And you will assign an employee to the company accountant role. And then also, if you are going to export journals from Time at Work into your accounting system for expense claims, then you will also need to set up the purchase tax account. But again, when you get to your new database, there will be no accounts established, unlike in this demonstration database. You will eventually come back here and assign a purchase tax account here. So that's all I need to tell you about company records.